If you ever had the question if it is safe for you to store your TPE companion doll away for a month, 6 months, a year, or like me, longer than 2 damn years, then this video got you covered. Yeah, that's right, I showed my companion doll into a dark closet. Normal room temperature, normal humidity. I wrapped her around in a blanket, standing her up against the wall as if she was waiting for a train to never arrive. And the truth? I expected a complete horror show when I finally decided to drag her out. Cracked skin, sticky mess, feet collapsed, you know, anything like that. The truth be told, not actually. So I put her out, I ran the shower, and it looked as if I just stored her in the closet 2 weeks ago. Her TPE is still soft, no crumbling, no weird smells, nothing. Oiled her up, which of course she enjoyed so much she had to go for 2 rounds. Only natural, she was standing there for 2.5 years. After that we went for the usual powdering. The feet though. I left her shoes on while she was standing in the closet and I have no idea if that is what saved them, but they're still in perfect condition. No dents, no collapses, nothing. And then the question remained, what am I gonna do with her now? Am I gonna keep her? Am I gonna sell her? Anyway, the makeup had to be done and I never really did the makeup in the time that I actually took care of her. Like sure, I went for the usual touch up, but that's what it was, touch up. And in the last couple of years, I learned some tips and tricks on makeup from some girlies around me and I decided to actually try to make that magic work. So I ripped off her upper eyelashes and I trimmed down the lower ones. I never really liked them because they looked like spider legs. I don't know, never liked them. Glued on some new ones, I drew some fresh pair of eyebrows, added some creases under her eyes, some freckles, and some scars. And suddenly, she looked more alive to me. And before I knew it, I was actually kinda getting into it. As for the nails though, for some of you who have been on this channel for a while, one of my last videos that I made was the retouches and the repairing of the TPE, but I actually never gave her new nails. So it was time to get out the ancient set out of the drawer and actually throw them on. And of course, no new look is complete without new clothes. It actually looks like nothing before. It looks better. And I may have used the wrong colors, with shaky hands, with minimal skills when I started out, but I'm actually kind of proud. So yeah, to answer the question of this video, if you have always taken good care of your companion doll, you just wrap them around in a blanket, and if they have the standing feet option, it's perfectly fine to just stall them away for a little bit. They will wait. But I would advise not to do what I did and just occasionally check up on them to see if everything is still going good. They wait, they will survive 1 year, 2 years, whatever. Anyway, that was it from me. Take care, guys.